Today we're gonna make Chicago dogs. We've already started our water boiling, and we've got the string of old-fashioned wieners that we got from B&B Market and Deli. It's one of the oldest stores in Des Moines. We're gonna put those in the boiling water. So we're going to take the white onion and we will dice it. So then we're gonna slice our dill pickle spears. Some people like to slice them really thin. I like them about average. So I took a half of a dill pickle and just sliced it into quarters. Trader Joe's has these amazing spicy pickles, and we were all out of sweet pickle relish, so we're gonna use these instead. So the goal is to get them into small chunks, and you're gonna slice and slice and slice. And then my favorite part, I love these little grape tomatoes, so we're just gonna use those for our Chicago dog. All right, so now it's time for assembly. We're gonna take the old-fashioned wiener, put it in the brioche bun. Next, we're gonna do the mustard. You can use regular yellow mustard, however, my favorite is the stone brown. Then we'll do some of our onions that we chopped, some of our pickles, tomatoes, whoop, and down. So then the next step is our sport pepper, and along the other side. Traditionally, I think you put 2 on. However, as I've shown you, I'm not doing this traditionally. And then, for the best part, the celery salt. So this one we're gonna do a little bit different. We're gonna take the hot dog, put it in the bun. Several of the steps will be the same. The mustard, the onion, the tomato, and then this is where this one gets a little different. We're gonna use jardinera and sprinkle that over the top with a little bit of that oil. But we still have to have the celery salt. And that's a Italian style Chicago dog. Or so I think.